Rennie with her babies. There's red and green she's playing with. Here's Orange Boy coming. Come on, buddy. Come on, yes. Yes, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Good boy, yes. The Hulk. He's come to say hello. Hi. Hello. With you. Green collar male. Here he comes. Why? Well, hello. Well, hi there, buddy. Oh. Yes, you are a good boy. Here's red collar male. Yes. Say hello. This is orange collar male. This is Daisy Girl. They recently found a new place to play. It's red collar male facing Daisy in the middle and green on the right. Ooh, somebody's learned how to dig. Puppies are 6 weeks old.